Introducing the self-adhesive and reusable mosquito nets for windows. A perfect solution to keep those pesky insects out during the summer while allowing fresh air to flow in. Made from high-quality, breathable materials, this anti-mosquito window screen is ideal for entrance doors, patios, gazebos, children's rooms, RVs, and more. This elegant magnetic door fly screen offers full coverage, protecting your family from mosquitoes, flies, and other insects. Crafted from high-class, eco-friendly materials, this fly net is breathable, wear-resistant, and designed for lasting use. The 1mm mesh is tightly woven, effectively blocking insects without compromising ventilation. The screen is removable, washable, and easy to clean with a damp cloth or vacuum for everyday use. When needed, simply remove, rinse, and air dry the mesh for a quick refresh. Choose between Velcro or magnetic installation for secure fitting. Extra pins are included for added stability. Designed for easy care and durability, this screen provides long-term insect protection without any extra maintenance costs. Enjoy a peaceful insect-free summer with the self-adhesive and reusable mosquito. Net for windows, a practical and affordable investment in home comfort.